Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can switch your personal Instagram account to a professional account. Well, switching your Instagram account is a big decision which can not only affect your online presence, but also with the right approach, you can provide valuable contents to your audience and can leverage the platform to grow your business. Anyhow, to switch your account, go to Edit Profile and click on Switch to Professional. It will ask you to select a type of professional account that describe you best, which means whether what type of contents you are intended to post so that your content can reach to the concerned audience. Well, the creator profile is best fit for people who are public figures, content producers, and influencers. And the business profile is best fit for organizations, local businesses, and retailers. And since I offer my services as a virtual assistant and I also have a print-on-demand shop, I'm selecting business profile so that I can not only have somewhat idea about my followers but also contact them. Here, select the category that best fit for your business, and in my case, it's for sure products and services because I offer services as well as I have a shop where I sell products. And if you don't find a category here, you can search it in the search bar. And if you want to show the category on your profile, you can check this checkbox and then just click on Done. Then it will ask you to add your contact number so that people can get in touch with you. And for the time being, I'm not going to add it. But you sure can add it anytime by going to Professional Account under Edit Profile. Since I don't want to add it for now, I'm selecting Don't use any contact info. Then it will give you a message that your business account is ready and you now have more tools to connect with your audience. And then just click on Done. And here you can see that the option has changed from Switch to Professional to Switch to Personal Account. And this is how you can switch your Instagram account from personal account to a professional account. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.